Reggae Nation, if you were at International Night 2 of Reggae Sumfest 2013, you would have witnessed one of the most emotive performances by the one, the only Romain Virgo. He joins us now on Reggae Nation. Romain, what's up?
Give thanks, and thanks for having me. It's a pleasure.
The last time I saw you so emotional was at Rebel Salute 2012. Your trend has been going toward the spiritual with the release of your two latest singles, Scary Movie and Jah Over All Things. Can you tell me if it's a move toward a different dimension of Romain?
We always grow. We continue to grow. I sing music from the soul. Whatever I talk about is the truth. It's the realest things that we choose to talk about all the time. We talk about things that, I can't talk about things that I wasn't used to while growing up. So I talk about things that I see going on in society today. Things that I know people are going through. And we just represent for the people. Whatever we sing, we want when people sing it, they can really feel something. So, yeah, man.
Well said, Romain. With the release of your latest singles, is there an album looming?
Maybe, but probably next year. We always try to at least kind of give it a two-year interval. And we hope next year, 2014, we can give the people something. This year we're doing a mix CD, which we kind of make it like an album. It will be out by next week, to be exact. People can look forward for the new mix CD. It's called Go Harder 2013 and beyond. And there's a lot of new music and new songs that will be coming, further on in 2013 and even 2014, and it's my first ever mix CD, so it's something that people can definitely look forward to. It is gonna be great.
Congratulations on that. Reggae Sumfest is celebrating 21 years as a veritable institution in the reggae industry. Can you comment on their successes and the movement of the festival going forward?
It's a whole other achievement. Because that means when I was 2 or probably 3, it was that was when Reggae Sumfest started. It's amazing. It is one of the probably one of the only surviving shows in Jamaica. One of the most professional, I would definitely have to say. Start on time. Your performance time is. It is very professional, and every year I come here to see him kind of treatment. The people, it's just good treatment from everybody. So big up to the organizers. We continue to give them the strength and continue to encourage them to keep this show going. You see, they always bring in new artists, especially new artists who are doing well and who seem to have a future in the business. Our future in reggae music, and that's what we love. We want to encourage Reggae Sumfest to continue to do the same. So to the organizers, we love you and we just want to tell you thanks. Yeah, man.
Romain, we noticed the hair. Is it a move toward Rastafari?
No. We never know. We're young and we're always searching. So we're always searching for the truth. I never know what the future might hold. But for now, I don't want to tell people that it's about Rastafari. It's just me looking different. So this is Romain Virgo. Just being different and feeling different. I want to be myself. So if I feel like growing here, I don't want people to use it as something like, whoa, what is Romain doing? It's the same Romain Virgo. It's just me looking different. Wanted to. When I was doing this, I said I wanted to look a bit more mature. Because when my hair is bald, then I look way too young, like a little baby. So it's just me, just looking different. Probably, sometimes I can't know it. Yeah. People are always gonna have their views, but we just want them to know that me growing my hair doesn't change nothing about Romain Virgo. It's the same person with the same message.
Right.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man.
Okay, Reggae Nation there with Romain Virgo, one of the most emotive entertainers in the reggae industry.
Reggae Nation like the show. Everywhere we go, play. This is Romain Virgo, and you're watching Reggae Nation. Keep it locked and don't move. Don't change it. Easy. Inscom. Romain Virgo represent.